Let's see, where was I? Okay, so I finished with my 5. So next we're going to go to the stem of 6. 6. Where did the 62 come from? For the females. So 62. Where did the 65 come from? There's several 65s. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 65s. So you have to track down each one. One came from female. See that? Another came from female. Let me make that 5 a little bit clearer. So that's 1, 2, 65, 65. Oh, 65 and 65. So there's 2 on both sides. 65, 65. See? 65, 65 for female, 65, 65 for male. Okay? So that takes care of all 4 65s. And my next one is 68. That 68 came from male. There we go. And then we have a 69. That 69 came from male. See it behind there? Okay, so 69. That takes care of the 60s. And my last stem is 70s. Okay, where did the 7D come from? There's 2 70s. Where did they come from? I see 1 male and 1 female. So 1 male, 1 female for the 70s. 70, 70. And then a 72. Where did my 72 come from? Looks like female. Right up here. See it? That takes care of the 72. And a 75. Where did that 75 come from? Female. So there you have it. So it was just a little bit of adding steps to how to create the stem and leaf plot when it's back to back. So we had a stem and leaf plot of male numbers and female numbers back to back. They share stems, and then the leaves are different. Okay? So now that we have the information, let me get this out of the way. Now that we have our information, we can answer the questions. So question number 1. So straight down a little bit. Move myself over to the corner. All right. So make that a little bit bigger. I'll do it from here. Okay. So we are talking about male and female puppies. What is the weight of the heaviest male puppy? Remember, males are on this side. So the heaviest male weighs what? Yes. See how that shares the stem? A little bit on that side? Nope, this side. Just have to make this smaller, but you can see your direct worksheet. Okay. So what is the weight of the heaviest male? The heaviest male puppy is male side. Heaviest, 70. What is the average weight of a female puppy? So remember, average means mean. So you're going to add up all the female numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. So for female numbers, we'll be adding 23, 58, 59, 62, 65, 65, 70, 72, 75. Add them all up and then divide by how many numbers we have. Divide by how many leaves you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So add up all the female leaves and stems, so 23, 58, 59, etc., and divide it by how many numbers we have, which was 9. And if you do so, you should get 61. Doing it on a calculator, be sure that you get the same answer and understand how to come up with 61. Okay? Number 3, how many puppies weigh between 50 to 60 pounds? So this says how many puppies. So we're talking about male and female, not just one or the other. So you're looking for the weight between 50 and 60. Okay? Well, if it's starting with 50, okay, between 50 would be 51, and then everything up to 60. So we can count everything that's here in the 5s because all the 5s are between 50 and 60. Because I have 51, 55, 58, and 59. That's between 50 and 60. But if I go to the 60s, nothing is lower than 60s. And the 60s out right here, because you don't have any 60s. Your smallest one of the 60s is 62. And you're looking for numbers between 50 and 60. So the smallest number between 50 and, or the largest number between 50 and 60 would be 59. So the only row that you can count are the 50s. So how many puppies weigh between these amount? Count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 puppies on the male side, 2 puppies on the female side. So answer for that one is 4. Question number 4, what is the least weight among the puppies? That's the minimum. So what does the smallest puppy weigh? If you look up, smallest puppy weighs 23. Not 28 or 29, 23. That smallest puppy happens to be female. Oh, this is making me think of my puppy at home, Luna. Oh, now I miss my dog. Alrighty, it's going to be a long day. Number 5, how many puppies weigh 65 pounds? All right, so we are at the 60s, right? You're looking for how many weigh 65? Well, just count all the leaves that are 5, because that means 65, 65, 65, 65. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 puppies that weigh 65 pounds, okay? So hopefully that is not as painful as I think it might have been, but we'll also give another practice with this in class. But this double stem and leaf, this back-to-back stem and leaf is not going to be on your quiz or any test. It's just a little bit of extra practice so you can get the concept on how to do these. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, guys.